Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for today, for Stock Lock Sunday. Lockwood. Key works smooth. There's your bidding. I wanted to tell you guys I've been kind of busy lately, so I haven't been getting to all your videos and stuff, and wished I could, but there's so many anyway. I mean, it's like if I sit down behind a computer, I'm going to be on it all day, watching your videos. You guys are really cranking them out there, and it's kind of hard to keep up. I wish I could, but I have to do things around here too, so let me try this pick. I think I just overset that. Maybe, I don't know. Now I'm lost. Okay, that's 2. That's 1, 2. Should be 3, 4, 5. Feels like it's overset. Gonna let off. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, I had overset 5. Not hard to do with a Lockwood, the overset pins. We're gonna go ahead and lock it up since we have a key. And you know what? That would be a heck of a lot tougher if it wasn't for looking at the key. I guarantee you that. You'd have trouble if you don't know exactly what you're doing with a Lockwood, like me. Let's go ahead and break this out. Now I looked at this. It looks like it might be a spread ring, but it's silver, so I don't know. Is it? I think it is. Yeah, it is. All right, I'm good. I saved myself. Ooh, that sounds funny with that clip off the back. Yeah, I think I'm gonna shim it because of this groove there, if I can. Well, sorry, I keep bumping the tripod my camera's on. Well, that's nice and tight in there. Those are really tight tolerances. Uh-oh. Come on. Are you serious? You're not going to do it with that. Okay. I'm going to try tank mode. Let me try one of these if they're any smaller. Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah. Well, that's still tight in there. Here are your pins. Wow. Okay, so it's 5-pinner, of course, and now I gotta try to get that out. This is all stock. I should just run this real quick without going through all this. And you know what? I think I will. Uh-oh, I just shot one off. And of course your stock sprang, so yeah, I made a mess. I'll readjust these because the shorter ones go in the longer pin deals, so that's not a problem. Let's get the spring goes up. Okay, I got something missing here. Yeah, this one probably goes with that one, I would think. Shorter pin. We'll see. We'll stack them out when we do them and see where we need to be. Because I exploded that when I did it. I pushed down and I shot pins over. But I'll look at it. I'll look at the video, see what I did wrong. Oh, get over. But they're all standard. It's an all standard kind of lock. Yeah. You can see they're beveled. On there, and then, okay, those are upside down, but they're beveled. So I didn't want to take too long for this, so that's the Lockwood cylinder. Thanks for watching, everybody. I know it's boring. I know I'm dry as dust, but hey, I try. So I will see you all later. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.